Hey everybody, Kenny Bakes the Southern Boys Outdoors. Today, we're doing a brisket here, guys. Check this out. Just got it all trimmed up. We got all our seasoning, everything laid out. All we need is some salt, pepper, Southern Boy season, and we use a little Traeger beef rub right here. And we got our mustard. Mustard? What? This ain't no damn seafood. You don't need no mustard. All right, guys, so let's get started. All right, step one, we're gonna put salt. Woo! Salt. Now we'll hit it with that pepper. And when you think you got too much pepper, put some more. Then we're gonna hit it with that Traeger rub. Now we're gonna hit it with our favorite, our Southern Boy seasoning. Like that. Now we just want to rub that in, guys. What we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna take one of these big pans like this, and then all we're gonna do is pick this brisket up and we wanna lay it in that pan. And if you look on the bottom of that brisket, right there, we didn't trim the fat off the bottom, guys. You don't trim the fat off the bottom. Repeat, up here, repeat, do not remove the fat off the bottom. The fat on the bottom of the brisket locks into moisture and makes it cook up through the brisket. Do not trim the fat off the bottom. All right, guys, we're gonna head to the Traeger. Woo, here we go, guys. Right here, fixing to throw this brisket on the Traeger. We got it on smoke. We're gonna smoke this bad boy right there. We're gonna smoke it for 2 hours. 2 hours. What we smoking with, though, y'all? Right there, guys, pecan wood. In 2 hours, we're gonna show y'all another little trick. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, it's been about 2 hours, just over 2 hours. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and raise this temperature to 250. Right there, 250 on the Traeger. I'm gonna add in this probe, this temp probe, plug it in right there. Come in the inside, y'all can see the brisket right here. Now I wanna go in the thickest part of the meat right here. I'm gonna go right dab in the thickest part of that meat. And now what I wanna do, I wanna bring that inside temperature of that brisket to 165. So that probe's gonna let me know when it hits 165. Hey, right here, guys, brisket time. Woo! Hey, y'all, our probe just hit the 165 mark. Now we're ready to wrap our brisket. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this grill up, and I'm cranking her on up to about 350 now. Crank her up to 350, open it up. Look how pretty that looks, guys. Look at all that juice in there. And that brisket is cooking with all that juice and everything. And that's why I don't like cutting the bottom layer of fat off of it, because I want that juice to be held in there and go up through the brisket. We're gonna get this bad boy covered up. Ow. Hot, 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 hot. Hot, hot. All right. Like that. Now we got our heat turned up to 350. Shut this back. And now, y'all, we want to bring the inside temperature to 205. When it hits 205, we're going to let it rest for about 30 minutes, and this brisket is going to be off the chain. Hey, everybody, the brisket is ready to shut down, guys. We done went over a little bit. We at 207, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and just mash the button. We're going to shut this Traeger down. Now we're gonna let it go through a shutdown cycle, which is 15 minutes. Now we shut the Traeger down. Now all we're gonna do is open it up. We're gonna let the Traeger cool down, and we're gonna let this brisket rest. And we want it to rest for about 30 minutes before we cut into it. Guys, I'm telling you, when I take this aluminum foil off and I do the reveal on it, it's gonna look some kind of good. Brisket time. Brisket, brisket, brisket time. Y'all check this out. Y'all ready for the reveal? Guys, I'm telling you, this thing here is going to be off the chain. Y'all check this out right here. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Would y'all, look at that brisket right there, y'all. My goodness, my goodness. All right, y'all, let's cut this thing up. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Ooh. Ooh, give me one of these knives. I'm just gonna take 2 knives. Y'all check this out, y'all. Look how beautiful that brisket is, huh? Look at that, Brandy B. Ain't that pretty? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. We're just gonna cut into it about right here. Oh my God, look at the juice in that. Look at the juice in there. Big Bird hit me with a fork. Guys, I just want to show y'all this brisket right here. And it's hot. I wish I could reach down there and pick it up. Oh. Y'all look at that. Look at that juice coming out of that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Man, I can't wait to dig into that, guys. Brisket 101. Take notes, baby. Watch the video again. Take notes. Cook your briskets right. It just don't get no better than that right there, guys. I guarantee it. I guarantee it don't get no better than that right there. Woo-wee. Trying to get me a piece of that all. Right there. There we go. Look at that, guys. Look at that smoke ring in that. Look at that pink smoke ring right there, huh? Look at that.